I'm so glad that the track is working again. We had a visitor this morning. He decided to devour our birdseed. But along the way, he came from the neighbor's yard and he completely wiped out the Western Highlands Railroad. I'm glad I ordered more brackets, but the rabbit fence posts are bent beyond repair, so I'm gonna have to order some more of those. And the track is pretty much messed up. I can salvage, I'm gonna have to get more J trim obviously, but it's gonna take a while to rebuild. And the sad thing was, this morning I was gonna give you a POV on the new layout of the Western Highlands Railroad. Of course, that won't take place for quite a while now in decent quality. Now, I had purchased a while back a microcam that was 4K, and I was very eager to test it out. So yesterday, I did run it on the railroad, and it is a garbage camera. It has really bad color. It is 4K, but the hue and saturation are horrible on it, and the sound is absolutely miserable. However, I do have that footage, so I can give you a ride on the Western Highlands Railroad the way it was yesterday. It's not great footage, but at least it's something, and it's the only thing I have at this point. So let's take a ride, shall we? Because it's going to take me a while to put this all back together.
Dispatcher here. Please hold for track orders. Over. Roger. Let me know when I can roll. Out. Dispatcher here. You are cleared out.